wrestling fans, are you ready?
So hi guys, it's Techminory PH. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I will show you on how to pay your Shopee loan or your S-Loan using Coins.ph. Sa mga di pa familiar kay S-Loan, si S-Loan is a new feature of Shopee where you can get fast and accessible cash loan. Pwede ka dito umutang hanggang 1 million, depende sa credit limit mo. So don't worry guys, gagawa ako ng separate video about S-Loan, but now, I will show you first on how to pay your S-Loan using Coins.ph. Tara, let's go! So first, let's open our Shopee application. Yan. This is my Shopee profile. I have their Shopee Pay, S Pay Later, my Shopee Coins, at si S-Loan. So let's click S-Loan. So we can see here na may outstanding balance ako. So let's click the current loans. Ayan. Yan po ang detailed info ng S-Loan ko. So click pay loan. Okay. So this is the repayment option. Dito ka napipili if ilan ang babayaran mo. So pwede 1 month, 2 months, or pwede din i-full payment mo. Depende sa trip mo. So pero ako, 1 month lang yung babayaran ko. So click pay. Then mararoute tayo dito sa select payment center. So look for coins.ph. Kasi yan yung gagamitin natin. Okay. Then click confirm pag nahanap mo na. Click then click pay. Okay. Ito na tayo sa email verification. So click mo lang yung pay. Then, mapupunta na tayo dito sa Dragon Pay. So, paying Dragon Pay. So, click mo lang yung coins.ph. Okay. Lagay mo lang dyan yung email or phone number ng coins.ph mo. Then, the password. Okay, let's try again. Okay, hold on. Wait for the verification code that will be sent to your mobile number that is directly linked to your coins.ph. So wait lang natin yung verification code. Okay, refresh lang natin. So, hindi pala sa mobile number, sa email pala. Sa email pumasok yung code. Okay. So, lagay mo lang yung code na galing sa email. Ayan. Then, pay 1636. Ayan na yung confirmation. You are attempting to pay. Ayan. Kunin mo lang yung verification code. Okay. Okay. Yan, your payment was sent. So, you will be redirect to merchant in 2 seconds. So, wait lang natin yan. Okay, payment successful na. Okay na guys. Okay, ayan na po. Nakapagbayad na tayo ng 1 month. So, 4 months to go. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. So i-follow mo lang yung mga steps natin on how to pay your S-Loan. So once again guys, this is Techminory PH. Okay, see you sa next video natin.